Organic matter in soil refers to the decomposed remains of plants, animals, and microorganisms that have undergone decomposition and are incorporated into the soil matrix. It is a crucial component of soil health and fertility, playing several important roles in soil structure, nutrient cycling, water retention, and biological activity. Organic matter consists of various organic compounds, including carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, lignin, and humic substances, which contribute to soil fertility and productivity. Here are some key functions and benefits of organic matter in soil. 1. Nutrient supply. Organic matter serves as a reservoir of nutrients, including nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, and micronutrients, which are released through decomposition and mineralization processes, providing essential nutrients for plant growth and development. 2. Soil structure improvement. Organic matter improves soil structure by promoting aggregation, enhancing soil porosity and water infiltration, and reducing soil compaction. It helps create a favorable soil environment for root growth, microbial activity, and air and water movement. 3. Water retention. Organic matter increases the water-holding capacity of soil by enhancing its ability to retain moisture and reduce water runoff. It forms stable aggregates and colloids that hold water molecules through capillary action, reducing soil erosion and enhancing drought resistance. 4. pH buffering. Organic matter acts as a natural buffer, helping to maintain soil pH within optimal ranges for plant growth by neutralizing acidic or alkaline substances and stabilizing soil pH levels. 5. Biological activity. Organic matter provides a substrate and energy source for soil microorganisms, such as bacteria, fungi, and earthworms, which play vital roles in nutrient cycling, decomposition, and soil organic matter turnover. It supports a diverse and active soil food web, promoting soil health and fertility. 6. Carbon sequestration. Organic matter contributes to carbon sequestration in soil, helping mitigate climate change by storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere in the form of soil organic carbon. Increasing soil organic matter levels through sustainable land management practices can enhance carbon storage and soil resilience to climate variability.